This is Honor 70 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can take a macro photo on this device. To begin with, you obviously have to launch your default camera app, then swipe this little modes choice to the left like so, until you'll stumble upon the more section. At the more mods, go for the super macro option. So here we are. In here, choose what object you would like to take a macro picture of. Then zoom into the object, 2x zoom. That's what you would like to use. That's what you will need to use. Excuse me. Now take a photo. And here's your macro picture already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.